But what happens if the engine suddenly fails and I can't make it back to the beach? So we're at 1,700 feet and I'm going to kill the engine. As the sun goes down, and we start to drop, I guess we could try to land in the water and swim to shore. But what happens if you can't swim? And now that's it. The propeller has stopped. We're at 800 feet. I can't make it back to the beach. And that water is just getting closer and closer. We just passed 500 feet. Now we're beginning to nosedive down. $120 from the water. Oh, well, we're close. Look at that. Trying to stay up. We're down.